Good day, everyone. I'm Adesanya, and I am also a first member from FECA. So it is an honor for me to be part of this program, No Box, and I will be taking you guys through on how you can maximize AI tools to achieve academic excellence. First things first, I want us to understand something. God is the first navigator of our lives. God is the first, you are the second. Every other person, every other thing comes next. If you believe that there is no box, then you can go anywhere, you can go far. But if you have the mindset of someone that is boxed or limited, you will always have that limit in whatever it is you are doing. So I want you to firstly understand the importance of this program, the importance of this class is to open your mindset to possibilities so that you can understand and grasp the fact that there's way more out there. So many people have been boxed in the ideology of things that they have seen or the only things that they have experienced. But with the use of AI, you get to see outside your environment, you get to see outside your zone, just basically a broader view of things. Now, in this session, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to study smarter, how you can use AI to discover opportunities out there, and how you can use AI to apply for those opportunities with confidence. I hope this is something you are all excited for. So let's dive right in. Now, firstly, I want you to understand why AI matters for your studies. AI can be used as your personal tutor that's available for you 24 hours every day. Now, in school, when you have a topic that you do not understand or a subject that you do not understand, you might have to go back to the textbook, or you meet a friend, or you go and meet your tutor, your teacher, your lecturer, letting them know that this topic is an issue for you. You do not understand how they got to this answer or how the process works. The same way you could generate a prompt and bring it to AI, and AI will help you anytime, anywhere. As far as you have data, by the way, you have to have data. And AI also give you instant explanations. It helps you grasp difficult concepts where you look at a topic like algebra and it looks so complex. The moment you bring it to AI and you tell AI, break this down for me like a sixth grader, AI is able to break it down for you to the lowest of lowest levels. So that's the beautiful thing about AI. Whatever level that you are at, AI can break down the explanation to that level. And also, it helps with personalized revision. In academics, we all have some places that we need to put more focus on. And those places, those topics, those subjects, you can focus directly on them using AI. And to help you focus on those areas, AI can help you generate past questions. So you give it the prompt that you need past questions on this subject, on this topic, AI will generate them. It will give you the right answers, it will give you explanation. It could also give you hints on how you can solve these questions. So with this tool, you are able to increase your study efficiency from 40% before you started using AI to about 85%. One thing I want you guys to be very, very aware of is the fact that AI amplifies your effort. It does not replace practice. So many students out there, they tend to just use AI to answer assignments, answer questions, and they do not practice. that is where AI is being misused. That's not why we are having this teaching. That's not why we are having this class. The idea is for you to pick up this tool and maximize it. Use it for practicing, use it for explanation, use it as your tutor, as your planner. So these are areas that AI matter in your academics. The question is, what can AI do for you? For this section, we're going to be talking about practical tasks. Remember, I told you AI is meant for you to use for practice. So as you can see here, like what I just explained, how AI can break down complex topics into easy to understand explanations. I just spoke about that. Now, secondly, AI can help you with study plans. It can help you create personalized study schedule and daily tasks for efficient revision. Many of you struggle with executing your study plans, or you don't even have a study plan. You just pick your book close to the time of your test, close to the days where you are about to have an exam. Most of you even start reading when timetable comes out. But with AI, you can get a real study plan that you can follow. And one thing that I want you guys to also pick from this is the fact that along the way in life, you would need discipline to be able to get things done well and excellently. If you get a study plan like this that says create a 7-day revision plan for a certain topic, and AI gives you the 7-day revision plan, how well can you follow those 7 days plan without failing? You're going to see the results. From 7 days, you go to 30 days. Keep building this character, this way of life, and you'll be able to achieve more in life. Next thing that AI can do for you is to create practice questions. AI can generate targeted practice questions and flashcards for exam preparation. I think we spoke on this, but the major thing here is, remember, you use it to practice, not just seeing the answer, because some people can get the question and the next thing they ask AI to give them the answers. So I remember what I used to do is I would ask AI to bring only the questions. And when I'm done solving those questions, then I ask AI to give me the answer to those questions. Because if you do not do it that way, AI could generate the questions and the answer, and you're immediately seeing the answers. Also, another thing AI can do for you is essay proofreading, where it checks your grammar, tightens arguments, and improves essay structure. Many of you are going to write letters to companies, to schools, also write letter in your exams. And one of the major things that I've seen AI help out in when it comes to academics is this: check grammar, tighten arguments, improve essay structure. Because you can write a letter, show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to your friends, and people might have different views when it comes to grammar. So it's best to work with an artificial intelligence that has large learning models with enough data to back any results or correction that it gives you. So this is a game changer for you. If you're writing letter, if you're trying to send messages, AI is very much capable of helping you out with that. Now, scholarships is another thing that AI is playing a massive role in. Many of you are even unaware of the fact that there are scholarships, there are grants out there, there are short courses that you can start learning. And it is honestly not your fault. These informations are not easily accessible around us. So with AI, you get to have a glimpse of the potentials that are out there. So AI can draw those opportunities to you once you ask it to get them for you. So you can find scholarships, you can find grants, you can find internships, you can find short courses, a whole lot of things that you can find using AI. Now, for a demonstration, we're going to ask AI to create a 7-day revision plan for a senior secondary student. So let's go ahead and do that. For this, we're going to be using ChatGPT. Now, when you come to ChatGPT, there's a plus sign here that you can add deep research or thinking. So for this, I want to add thinking to just make it think longer. And you click on enter. And as you can see, it's thinking, it's doing its research, it's looking out for and now the results are out. A 7-day calculus revision plan for a secondary school student. And it shows how to use the plan, a quick 7-day overview, and just like that, we have a plan. As you can see here, the first topic it starts it with algebra manipulation and activities, 30 minutes quick algebra warm-up. And just like that, you'd see that by the end of 7 days, a whole lot has been covered. This is how easy it is to create a plan, and as you can see, it is very efficient. Get to a point where even when studying, you could have questions that you need answers to. Go back to AI to answer those questions and keep you on track. Next thing we're going to demonstrate is practice questions and stepwise help. And as you can see here, we have a prompt. Create 8 practice questions on topic from easy to hard. For each, give example and explanation. Provide hints for hard questions. And this is an example of what it could generate. As you can see, the easy question is, what is the capital of Nigeria? This is easy. Medium question, explain the concept of photosynthesis. Hints, process of converting light to energy. And also for the easy, there is also a hint. Basically the answer though. And for the hard part, you see it here, discuss the impact of colonialism on Africa economies. And the same thing, you get an hint. Very hard, the same thing. So this is one way you can use AI to get practice questions and stepwise help. And also, one thing very important that you have to do is to verify the results. And you can use Wolfram Alpha, is also an AI tool, or Photomath, also an AI tool that will help you verify the results. If for any reason you feel like this thing is not correct, you can use these tools to prove. You can use these tools to verify the results that you get. So for this, I'm going to be using algebra thinking, and let's see what it gives us. As you can see, it's going through the information, trying to learn more about it, and voila, I guess it's done. And it's done. Brings together 8 practice questions, easy to hard, and as you can see, linear equation, brings question, the answer, explanation, common pitfall. So basically, this is a clear example of what AI can help you achieve. And for each of these, if you need a similar example again, a similar question, you can easily say, for this question, give me a better option or a new question in line with this. So that's the beautiful thing about AI. There's a whole lot of question bank available for you to practice with. Now for our next demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can find scholarships and courses using AI. For this demonstration, we're going to be using this AI prompt. As you can see here, I'm a Nigerian SS3 or 100 level, all final year students studying. You can put your subject there. List 6 scholarships, grants, or paid internship I can apply for now. For each, give eligibility in one line, next application window, and the official apply page. Now, these are the key things you should look out for when you put this prompt in your AI. 1. Check for official institutional website, verify application requirements, confirm deadline. Key thing to look out for, again, which is also a red flag to watch out for: payment request, personal bank details, official posts, and only social media posts, official website mismatch. So if you find anything that requires you to pay and it is not with the company name or with the organization name, it is a red flag. Anything that has someone's personal bank details, it is a red flag. Anything that has only social media posts, it is also a red flag. And when the official website does not match the name, it is also a red flag. Let's quickly take a look at how you can do that. So for this, I'll be using accounting, if someone was studying accounting. And as you can see, searching the web, searching everywhere, going through models to find the right response to the prompt that we gave it. So it's taking a while, but we'll get there shortly. Now, this is also the advantage of selecting that thinking option over here. This thinking option. With this, the AI gets to think about the result. So if it sees something that is not in line with what you gave it as a prompt, it would think about it and say, you know what, this is not what this person wants, and search again, look for something that goes with what you are requesting. And as you can see, says it has put 6 real high value scholarship, grants, or internship you can apply for or apply to from Nigeria. And these are the opportunities you can apply for now. KPMG Nigeria undergraduate internship. Okay, usually 200 level and above. Next application window, June to September. And the official apply page, as you can see, it has the source of that information right here, so you can also backtest. And we have these basically just brought out a whole bunch of information that we need. Now back to a very important topic: how to use AI ethically and smartly. 1. Disclose when required. As you can see here, always follow school guidance about AI use in assignments. For most schools, they will tell you, do not do this with AI. And for some assignments, they might tell you you are free to use AI. So you always have to be aware of these things so you do not end up being rusticated. Also, another ethical guideline: use for drafting only. As you can see here, it explains, let AI help with drafts and practice, not final submissions. Like what I said earlier on, make sure you use AI to practice. Do not use it for your final submission, which means if you have a question, you don't just pop it into AI and say, solve this for me, and you just copy, paste the exact thing that AI gives you. No, you get something similar, understand what was done, and solve it by yourself. Another ethical guideline is rewrite in your voice, probably what I just spoke about. Adapt AI content to match your own writing style. Similar to what I just spoke about. Many times you might have a letter that you want to write, you might have a proposal or something. Make sure you rewrite it in your own voice. Ask for hints, not answers. We just spoke about this. For practice, request hints to develop your problem-solving skills. So ask for hints, again, not answers. So this is a workflow, draft with AI, rewrite in your voice, verify content. That is how you are to use AI ethically and smartly. Now, this is a quick challenge for everyone, and it is a challenge for this upcoming week. So I want every one of you to find one scholarship and complete one short certification. It is a very simple but impactful task that I want every one of you to be involved in. This is a prompt that you can use. As you can see here, find 6 scholarships for Nigeria SS3 students studying mathematics or whatever subject or whatever course that you have in mind. Then also create a 7-day revision plan for advanced function with daily tasks. And you can also think about a prompt that you can use to get short certifications. There are a lot of short certifications out there, things that you can get certified in after studying for 3 days, 4 days, or even a week. So make sure you get one. This is your 1-week action plan. On Monday, search for 2 scholarships. So you have from today to Monday to search for 2 scholarships. On Tuesday, start one application. On Wednesday, find one course. And by Friday, I believe you should have been able to achieve this task. Now let's talk about resources, tools that we can use when we talk about AI tools. Firstly, Ability. That's what I've been using for demonstration. It's a conversational AI for explanations. And we also have Gemini. Gemini is a Google's AI assistant. It's also very helpful. We have Photomath. It's good for math problem solving. We have Wolfram Alpha computational knowledge engine. We have Coursera. It is where you can get free courses, the platform where you can get free courses and get certifications as fast as possible. And we also have Google Career Certificates. It is also a platform where you can get professional certificates for free. And here are some top scholarships to search out for. You can go on their platforms, you can go to their website and get more knowledge on how you can participate in these scholarships. And we've come to the end of this session, and I believe that by now you would have known how you can use AI to study smarter, how you can use AI to discover opportunities, and how you can apply with confidence. Remember, opportunities are not hidden, they are unsearched. With AI, you can find them and make sure you use your voice to win them. Alright guys, thank you very much for having me, and I wish you all the best. Have a great day.